Congratulations, Ms. Shenika Jackson, closing on your home. Describe the home you just purchased.
Well, I would say it has always been great for me to move to a community that it took a lot of time to get to. I was always living in the Inglewood community on the south side of Chicago. I was born and raised in that community. But to actually find my home in the community where I have always wanted to live, which is Washington Heights, was great.
All right, so this isn't your first home. You've owned a home before.
Yeah.
What made you come to NACA to purchase your dream home?
Well, for starters, I want to say I learned a lot about homeownership very early in life. I bought my first home when I was 25. And I so happened to find out that in 2008 that the mortgage company that I was with was actually sued by our former state's attorney, Ms. Lisa Madigan, for predatory lending. And what I learned is that everybody does not need a PMI. You know, everybody just needs an opportunity to own a home that they can afford. It gave me an opportunity to actually start over, to do things differently as far as with home ownership. And I think my experience in working with military men and women and, you know, working with various property owners and inspectors and managers, it also gave me a little bit more of an advantage.
All right, so what is your interest rate, and how did this product, the NACA product with Bank of America, help you get your dream home?
Well, at first, with my first home, I had been locked in for the life of my loan at 5.9%. I did get an opportunity to use a program, which was a city program that is no longer valid. It was a program that was done by our former mayor, Mayor Daley Jr. It was a city program through the city of Chicago, which allowed me to have a down payment as well as some monies left to purchase homeowners insurance at the time that I bought that home. But with this one, I feel it was a little bit of a in-between. I was given the advantage by NACA with the no money down, no closing costs, those perks. But I still had to kind of work my way down to the interest rate that I currently have, which is a 4.3%, by the way.
All right. So anybody else going through this process, do you have any advice for them, encouraging words or anything like that?
I would say yes. The encouraging words that I have for them is to, number one, make sure they're ready. For me, by this not being my first home, you want to make sure that you're ready. You want to find the home that you want, that you feel comfortable with. And most importantly, you still, above all, even with NACA's benefits, you still want to get the home that you can afford to pay for.
All right, congratulations and welcome to the family.
Thank you.